Let's make Caesar salad with chicken. You cannot make a classic Caesar salad without homemade croutons. Here I have a baguette and I'm just cutting it into cubes. And then I'm gonna add some fresh grated garlic, some black pepper, and salt. We are also gonna add some olive oil. Give that a stir and pour it into the prepared pan and bake it in 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it is golden brown. Now let's move on to our chicken breast. I just cubed about 3 chicken breasts and then I'm adding some fresh grated garlic, lemon zest, and then I added lemon juice from only half of the lemon because this lemon was too big. And then I added some salt and pepper. And as you can see, I'm not really measuring here. I'm just eyeballing it. And then I have this leftover herbs from our takeaway dinner that I didn't want to throw away. I think it's oregano. And then I added some olive oil and give that a good mix and set it aside to marinate for a few minutes. And here my boys wanted to show me their secret handshake. Johnny, you hurt yourself. Now let's go back to our cooking. Here I'm preparing the dressing. I added a half a cup of mayonnaise and then Dijon mustard and Worcestershire sauce. I added some fresh grated garlic and then I added all of this lemon juice because I wanted the dressing to be in the lemony side. And then I added some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and the usual salt and pepper. Give that a mix and then slowly add the olive oil. And that's all our Caesar salad dressing. Set it aside until we are ready. And now it's time to cook the chicken in a hot pan. We are just gonna cook it for about 5 minutes each side. And while we're waiting for the chicken to be cooked, let's prepare the lettuce. Here I'm just gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to wash it. Make sure we get everything that is not perfect out, like if it has like brown spots on it. And then I soak it in the bowl of water with ice just so it will become crispy and make it back into like its freshness. And now it's time to flip the chicken. I don't have my salad spinner with me, so I'm going to just dry this in a clean kitchen towel. Once the lettuce is ready, you can put it in the prepared bowl and then we're just gonna add some of the dressing and mix that all together. And by this time, our chicken is ready. I cooked it for about 12 minutes total because I wanted some brown bits on them, like charred texture. And now it's time to assemble our salad. Here I have the lettuce, and then I added some more dressing. And some croutons. And the chicken, of course. And then lots and lots of Parmesan cheese.
Are you cold, Kuya?
And after dinner, we went out for a walk because the weather was so nice.
Careful. Okay, Johnny, now going uphill.
And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Bye.